Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an issue when you cannot update or restore your iPhone via Apple devices on Windows. If you're trying to update or restore an iPhone via Apple devices and you get errors, even if you try multiple times, then you'll need to go to ipsw.me in your browser, as you can see in my search bar. Then choose a product. I'm gonna choose an iPhone and close this ad. And now you'll need to choose the exact model. Mine's iPhone 12. And now here you can see that I have two signed IPSWs available, and I've been trying to update my iPhone with iOS 18.0.1 and it didn't work, so I'm gonna try iOS 17.7. So just click on it and it will start downloading. You can see it's already downloading here. It says 6 minutes left. So in the meantime, make sure that you have Apple devices installed on your computer. To do it, go to Microsoft Store and search for Apple devices, then download it. Now I'm gonna wait until the IPSW file downloads. Now since the file is downloaded, you can open the Apple devices app on your Windows PC and also connect your iPhone via a cable to your computer. And as you can see, it shows here. When I go into the general settings, I can find this menu, and now to choose a file to restore from, you'll need to hold down Shift on your keyboard, and while holding it down, click on Restore iPhone, and then it shows you this file explorer, and go to Downloads or any other folder you downloaded the IPSW file into. Click on it, click on the file, click on Open, then tap on Restore, and now wait until your iPhone restores. Now my iPhone has been restored and it's restarting. After a short while, when it restarts, I'll be able to reconfigure it or restore it from backup. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.